As someone in VFX and games and tech, I should probably update my computer a lot more often than I have. But it's been about 3 or 4 years since I last did any updates on my PC, and I'm starting to fall behind. So I did quite the overhaul and I got a bunch of things that I needed to upgrade, and now for the first time I'm actually going to build my own PC. I'm going to be using components from my old PC and transferring them over, and then I got a lot of new upgraded parts. This is my old PC, and man, I have so much dust in there that needs to be cleaned. That's probably dangerous, and I blame most of that on this guy. Compared to this small thing, I've got this new, really massive setup here. It's huge compared to what I previously had, and I've got some new SSDs, 2 terabyte SSDs, which is a huge upgrade from my 1 terabyte SSD. I was always running out of space. I've got the grounding strap, which I'm not sure if I even need. I've got RAM. I've got a 10 gigabyte PCIe adapter for making my NAS speed a lot better. I've got my new motherboard that's going to help with my slots because I'm future proofing so that I can upgrade to a better graphics card in the future. And I've got the 4070 RTX 4070, which is not the latest update, but it's much better than my 3060 Ti that I currently have. I've also got all the other recommended supplies like screwdrivers, some magnetic containers, and the cooling paste or the thermal paste that you're supposed to use. But all this is super new to me. I have never built a computer before. I had someone else do it for me. So I thought, being in a technical role and being interested in things like robotics and electronics, this is a perfect opportunity for me to get my foot in the door and learn some stuff about the machines and hardware that I actually use every day. Oh yeah, and I also got this electric duster instead of using the compressed air can because I found that could be a little bit more dangerous and not as foolproof. So I tried that. So if you've ever done this yourself, feel free to throw me some tips. I will greatly appreciate them. And if you haven't, well, feel free to watch as I try to not destroy my old PC as I transfer stuff to the new one and add the new components.